What I like most is that we get to look at how we can do things better and make it more fun and more welcoming for the kids and families.
What's your role today?
Today I came to a meeting about how we can use creativity and play and art to help kids when they're in hospital.
I was one of the adults who was asked to present some ideas on things that might make the spaces more interesting for the children who are in the hospital and waiting in the hospital and might be a bit bored and looking for more interesting things to do.
We've spoken to lots of kids in the last few years and it's made huge changes to the design actually. In fact, there's quite a few things in lots of different rooms throughout the hospital that are quite different because of what the kids have said. So I think that's been great.
We've been able to get bigger bedrooms based on their feedback and bigger lounge rooms for them as well. I think all the single patient bedrooms are a good idea so that kids can have their family stay. You come with your mum and your dad, there's spaces for both parents to stay as well. So I think that's a really good thing we're doing.
So I think it's really important that we hear the perspectives of children and young people as well when we're thinking about ideas. So yeah, I had a really great time.